Let me turn the floor now over to Jono, and a panel now that's going to be focusing on donor and private sector engagement. So we could have you introduce our panel members, or panel members introduce themselves. So I'd turn it over to you, Jono.
Okay, great. Thank you. Good morning. On the theme of food safety and more on the theme of nutrition, I'd like to take a minute to thank the organizers for last night's dinner. I think it was quite a tasty journey in food and conversation. Sorry for the visitors, you missed it, but we got a great panel. Unfortunately, Kelly Cormier from the Division from the Bureau of Food Security is one of the casualties of the shutdown, so she's not going to join us. So we have more time for Nuri Gras on my left, who is the Executive Secretary of the Chilean Food Safety and Quality Authority. Dilip Shah, who is Dilip, he's there by voice? Okay.
Yes, I'm on the line.
Oh, wonderful. Okay, good. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon to you.
He's the Secretary General of the Indian Pharmaceutical Alliance. And then farther down there on our left is Jude Nyawokiki, who's the Director for Promoting the Quality of Medicines in the U.S. Pharmacopoeia. And I have to take a little pride in Jude having spent close to a decade with Management Sciences for Health before coming into the different agencies. So the panel really focuses on the role, perspectives, and contributions of two very different yet complementary stakeholder groups, public and private. It is a great panel, as you've heard, and some of the people on the panel have actually worked in the sector opposite from what they're speaking for. So you're actually allowed to put that perspective in the question and answer, as long as you let us know which hat you're wearing. So some of the folks who are now in more government things have had experience in industry. So let me start with Nuri. You've had a unique position at your ministry in that you coordinate different bodies working on food safety from government, academia, consumer groups, and the private sector. Can you talk about how you navigate these relationships between the different bodies that you work with and the different stakeholder groups?